How to download Castle app movie on laptop or PC. Now, the very first thing that we need to do is, of course, we will be downloading an emulator because this certain application is only applicable for phones or for Android devices. Now, what you want to do is just go ahead to your laptop or PC and then pull up any preferred web browser you want and then head directly to your search bar. So the emulator that we will be downloading is called Nox Player. Simply type in Nox Player download and you should be able to see the Nox Player's emulator's official site at the very first result. So just choose on Nox Player, which will take you out to bignox.com. Just simply click on that and then you will be redirected to Nox Player's official site. So what you want to do is just of course download depending on the operating system version that you have. So just click on download and install it. So once you have successfully installed Nox Player, it kind of looks like a Google Play Store once you will pull out this specific emulator right here. All you have to do after installing it is just go directly to the search bar like you always do from your Google Play Store and just simply type in Castle, Make Money, and Play. Once you have successfully searched for that, you should be able to see this logo right here from Castle Movie app and just simply download it and you should be able to use it without any problems. So that's it. That's the most convenient way of downloading Castle Movie app on your laptop or PC.